Hi guys, I'm with you today for introduce about the basic setup of AutoCAD software. I'm using 2019 AutoCAD. We can see that we have icon of AutoCAD here. This is the interface of AutoCAD 2019 and here is the icon of this one. So we just maximize this one. As we maximize, so we can see that we have the interface. So first thing is what, whenever we will open AutoCAD software, so that we have to know how to set drawing unit as well as drawing limits. So this is the basic requirement for a designer who will design in AutoCAD software. So first of all, we can see that we have a template here. As we click here, so that we can see we have numbers of templates. Which one we will select? So by default, whenever we will open AutoCAD software, so that we should select acad.dwt here. So we have this template, we will select this one, and we have much and more template here. We can see these are we will use that time when we complete our project, and then after we have to specify each and everything, like the name of the designer, approved by which designer, what was the date when they had approved that design, what are the scaling factor they are using for that specific drawing, and many more. So we don't use these templates because, as I am saying, that this video is especially for beginners who is starting to work in AutoCAD. So please watch this video very carefully. I will give very specific and very valuable videos which one will give you the better experience to do work in AutoCAD. So first of all, we can start from here, or directly we will click here, or we have one more option. So we just click here, file, and there is an option for new. As we open this one, we see that the same template is here. We click this one and then open. As we will open this AutoCAD, we can see that we have interface. So this is called, these all arrangements are called GUI, graphical user interface. So each and every software, whatever software will use in whole world, there is one specific interface. So first I am going to uncheck these tools because these are the 3D tools, and at this time we don't need these tools. So first we have to know how to set drawing unit and drawing limits. So we can see, first we click here, go to format, and there is option that is units. Click here. As we open this one, we can see we have some options like which types of length you want. You want architectural, you want decimal, engineering, fractional, scientific. So generally those students or the starter who want to work in AutoCAD, so they can start from decimal, so that this is for metric form, and where you want to use imperial dimension, so that you should select engineering. So that I am going to select this one, decimal. Click here. As we click this one, we see that we have precision. Precision is what? Means we can maintain accuracy. How much accuracy you want to maintain? We can see that. As we click in this filters, we can see that we have these options. So that much decimal points we have, means that much we can maintain accuracy. So suppose I am going to use 2 decimal points. We will click here 2 decimal point, and then next option will be insertion scale. Now what should be the insertion scale? When we select decimal, so that it should be meter, millimeter, or centimeter. So that will select millimeter. But if you want to select engineering, so that it should be inch, feet. So at this time I am using decimals, we will select decimal, and now this one will be millimeter. One more option we have, that is angle. What you want? Means suppose you have to draw a line, the length of the line should be 200, then angle formation should be 45.5 degree. How you will adjust that? If you have only one, there is no any decimal point, so that if you will keep this one as usual by default whatever we have, so that either it will be 45 degree or 46 degree, it would not be 45.5 degree. If you want to maintain that, for this you have to click here, you have to at least have to keep one decimal point. So as much as you want to maintain accuracy, you can maintain. So that's why I was talking about that AutoCAD is the basic fundamental software. Whenever students comes for learn the software, so generally I suggest them that you should join AutoCAD. First you complete AutoCAD and then think about the other software. If there are mechanical students, so that they should go for Creo, CATIA, NX, SolidWorks, Solidase, as well as for CAE they should go for HyperWorks, ANSYS. So all these are the softwares for mechanical. But as civil engineering students comes for training, I suggest them they should first start from AutoCAD and then they should go for 3ds Max, Revit, Maya and many more softwares nowadays in this era available we have. So that is the different things. But now today we are talking about only AutoCAD and this is for beginners. So we will start only we will talk about only the basic things which are required for set up AutoCAD software. So this is how to set drawing unit. So now we will click here OK. As we complete drawing unit, the next step should be drawing limit. So what we do, so again we click here and the format pull down menu, or we can say that pop-up menu, there is option for drawing limits. Click here. As we click drawing limits, we have option that is specify lower left corner. We can see that this is called command bar, means whatever command we will use, so command bar will give us suggestion that what should we do next. So here we can see that specify lower left corner. So lower left, this is the corner, lower left corner. So this one would be by default 0, 0. Press enter. As we enter, we can see that we have next option that is specify upper right corner, upper right, and this the corner. So what should be the upper right corner? It will depends upon the students that how much dimension they having on their project. The maximum dimension of the project should be in the upper right corner. Suppose I have a project, the maximum dimension of that project is 1000. So I will keep 1000 comma 1000. So I'm taking 1000 comma 1000 and press enter. This is how to set drawing unit and drawing limit. The next step is zoom all, because whenever we work in AutoCAD software, so we did not completely zoom in and zoom out our graphical window. So that's why we will use a shortcut key that is Z for zoom, enter, then A press, then enter, zoom all. Now we can start our project. Before this one, I would like to discuss about some basic fundamental setup in AutoCAD software. So we can see that this is called graphical window, black color is visible, this is called graphical window. This one is called functional keys, because these keys will work according to the functional keys of your keyboard. These are called ribbon form, and this one is called quick access toolbar here, and this one is called cross here. We don't call it as a cursor, cross here. So suppose I want to change some icons, we want to bring some toolbars. How to do that? Just right click and then select here option. As we click option, we see that this is the control panel of whole AutoCAD software. Means whatever we make change, it will change its setup. So that Suppose we want to change the color of the graphical window, click here, color. You see, we can change the color of whole components of AutoCAD software. Uniform background color you want to change, you can change. This is the preview. Press apply. We see that now we have yellow color in the graphical window. Now again we want to change this one, it should be black, so we will select black. See, we have black screen. Now again click here. Now we want to change the color of the cross here. So we will click here, which color you want. Suppose I want to select, convert this one into green color. Now we can see that we have green color. The next option is viewport control. So which one is viewport control? Generally we will find viewport control in the upper left corner. In this corner we will find this option, viewport control. If you want to change the color of this one, we can change. We want to keep it yellow. We can see that in this preview. Press OK. Now again click here, and then we can change the grid major line, grid minor line. So this one is the major line of the grid and these are the minor line of the grid. Now we can click. So now we can see that we have option, that is grid major line and grid minor line. We can see that. So as I told you that these are the major line and these are the minor lines. So we can change the color of that one also. So this is how to change the color of the component. Now we will press OK. And now again suppose we want to decrease the size of toolbar, so that we can uncheck this one, and now press OK. And now I'm going to bring some toolbars. These are the necessary toolbars. So how to bring the toolbar in AutoCAD software? This is also very confusing question for a student. So how to bring the toolbars in AutoCAD? So directly we'll click here in the tools. There is option palettes, and now we can see that we have toolbar AutoCAD, and here we have option, that is draw. So we have draw toolbar. Again we want to select modify toolbar. So similarly, whatever toolbar you want to bring in AutoCAD, that one you can easily find from this selection. So suppose I have to adjust these toolbar. So how to adjust? Just click here and then drag and drop. We will drag and then drop here. Now suppose we want to set this modify toolbar in right side. So we again click here, press and then drag and drop. So this is how to set the toolbars in AutoCAD software. As I told you that I had minimized the size of the tools in toolbar. So how to maximize? Again we just right click, go to option and then display. Under display we can see that we have option, that is use large button for toolbar. Click here and then apply. So the toolbars icons will change, it has increased. Similarly, if you want to increase the size of cross here, so you can minimize and maximize the size of cross here. Similarly, we have open and save. We'll discuss about all these things. These are very important topics for the students. So in the next video we'll discuss about all these things. So that is sufficient for today's video. So you must watch this video and subscribe this video, and best of luck to all of you.